So it's been a while since I've been on a motocross track. Here in Taiwan, we really don't have motocross tracks, so we're using this small little scrambler track to test. I'm a little bit nervous because I've been on that track once or twice before, and it is tiny. It is really tiny. So you definitely have an edge because the 890R is an adventure bike more on the lighter side, but here you feel every single kilogram. Come on. All right, here we go.
That was not bad.
I see how Michael does. Too much hang time. Okay, go. Oh, really slippery.
I blew that corner.
Too much air, good. Go.
All right, here we go. Sasha's gonna do his timed runs, and we are starting now. That corner is so hard to get through. Here he comes to the transition. Whoa!
Gosh.
Abort that run.
I hope you have that on tape, though.
It was. You crashed right in front of the camera. That's the place you're supposed to crash.
Thank you.
All right, here we go. So we are starting the time now. First turn. He seems a little more cautious this time. He comes to the transition. A lot more cautious. You can use the berm there. That's a nice way to roll. First jump. You got some air there, hitting the berm. Boom, railing it. The big jump is coming right now. Oh, nice hang time. Missed a gear. Braking over the choppy bumps. Transition again, he took a tighter line this time. Hitting the berm. Jump. Railing that berm. Oh, he got some air that time. Big air this time. Yeah, nice hang time. Ripping. So this is the third time I wasn't running laps. So we'll have to divide it out. That'll be fine. We'll just divide it out. big jump, boom, hang time, ripping through to the finish, boom. And it was a 1:36. We did the timed runs, and I, for one, found out that I'm not motocross fit at all. It is a scorcher out here, and we were just talking about how hot it is. It seems like it's hotter than in previous years.
I'm checking my bike now. It's 38. I think we're good.
Yeah, yeah. So not good at riding. I felt like I lost a lot of time in that turn. There's no way to take that big turn, whatever you call it, turn one, quickly. And I definitely went off the track and came back in at one point. But other than that, I think I was pretty consistent. My times were, you said 29?
29.8, one, then 30.24, 30.15, and the last one was 32.24.
Yeah, so the last one, I kind of rolled off of it, not on purpose, but just because I was really, really fatigued. I'm averaging about 30s, and Sasha averaged a 32. So the 450 is about 2 seconds faster than the 890. The next challenge is going to be a drag race.
Race 1, Sasha and I both had too much wheel spin and kicked sideways toward each other. He rolled out of it and coasted across the line. Race 2, we switched sides and I still had lots of wheel spin because I was trying to use classic motocross start body position.
1, go!
And Sasha got a good run and won that race. Race 3, I sat more upright and slid to the back of the seat, and the tire hooked up this time, and I won.
Go!
Race 4 was about the same, but I used second gear this time to start, and Sasha got a good run, so I won by about half a bike length.
The last challenge, challenge number 3. Based on the lap times, I'm about 2 seconds a lap faster than he is. So he's gonna start 6 seconds before me. I'm just gonna count it down, and then I'm gonna see if I can catch him over 3 laps. So, you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Go when you're ready. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
A lot of dust. It looks like I'm already catching him. Maybe not. were sandbagging. It means you went easy on the timed laps. Oh, that was brutal. I didn't feel like I was catching you.
Yeah, the first lap, yeah, and then the second and third was the same. Like when I went out around that berm, more or less the same distance. I was like, oh gosh, he's gonna get me the last lap.
Oh. And there we have it, the conclusion. The third one, you got me. I won the first two challenges, as can be expected. The lap times, I won the drag race by a nose. He actually got me in one of the drag races. So the last challenge was, he got a 6-second start. 1004, 1005, 1006. And I tried to chase him down. In the first lap, I started catching him and I felt like I was going faster, but then he found some tricks and he went faster. One area that I think I could have picked up time on was the big jump. So I thought if I go harder and go higher that I'm going to get more speed. But in fact, I think that worked against me because I think I was in the air so long I wasn't actually putting the power down.
You had more fun though.
Yeah, it was really fun. And where do you think you made up your time?
Well, I actually went the other route. And the second and third turn, I actually tried not to get so much air time and land as fast as possible, which is not too difficult on a big bike. And yeah, that S turn just now, figured out a different line, so that made me a little faster. But it was a fun challenge. To me though, one of the pointers or main points from this challenge is actually what is it that you're looking for? Is it efficiency, like lap time, speed, whatever, or is it fun, like hang time, you know, your rear wheel just, you know, backing in the whole time and stuff and having a good time, right? So I don't know, it's like I was pretty much, you know, I was faster this time. Michael was catching up the first lap and made me really nervous. And I actually doubted that he was actually counting 6, probably counted only to 2.5, right? But the fun factor is most important. I'm very sure that Michael had a great time in the air. And I had a great time not being caught by him. Right, so it was a nice challenge, definitely.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun, and that really was the purpose of it. These two bikes are really different bikes. They both go off-road, they both have 21-inch front tires, but they're very different bikes. But I figured people would want to see them go head-to-head. So we know, yes, the 450 is faster, but a professional rider can make up some difference and find some tricks, and possibly sandbag and cheat. All right, we're gonna close it there, and like and subscribe, and join us again next time on Moto Skills Factory.